Today is Thursday, the 25th of September. So this actually dropped off the tree. This is from here. And it smells amazing. Wow, it's like honey. It smells like sweet honey. And this one came off yesterday too. They all came off yesterday. So looks like they're tree ripened. So I never had any tree ripened fruit from this tree at all, Malika. So I'm gonna try it, do some taste testing and see what it tastes like. Because I usually like to pick it green because it tastes better when it's been picked green. So look at this one here. I think this one is also ready. I think most of them are ready, so I'm gonna just pick all of them today. So let's see, and let it ripen off the counter. So this one should be okay. Not yet. How about this one? Looks a bit firm. They're very firm. Okay, let's see. Let's see this one. This one should be ready. And let's see. These three should be ready as well. Let's see. See? Looks like it's about to turn yellow. It's not coming off that easily. It does have some smell to it as well. It's ready. So I got 2, 4, 6. Picked off 6. I think there's some more in here. So counted about 10 or so from this tree. Oh, there's a cat that's been coming over to my property. She's been coming over here and playing with me after my little brownie's gone. Yeah? Meow! 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 So it looks like they cut all her claws. So there's no claws. No claws. Otherwise, you would be a good pet for going after other rats that's been trying to steal my mangoes. Meow. 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 She loves me rubbing her belly. There's no tag on the cat, so I don't know whose cat it is. Okay. So this one I think is also ready. I'm gonna pick it. Meow! Let's see this one. Maybe it's ready? I think this one's ready too. I just picked it anyway. Okay. Let's see. Probably some more back there. This one. Oh, came off. Which means it's ready then. It came off by itself. This one should be ready too. I just picked it anyway. Okay. Let's see. Meow. Oh, look at this one. This one is ready. It's ready. There's lots of ants. Because this fruit is really sweet. There's a lot of ants in here. picked it. I think it's ready. And this is all like mealy bugs. Squash it. All the sucrose, they're going after the sugar. Okay. Well, let me see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Oh, 12 now. So let me see. I think 12. And then, what, 12? $13, $14. 14, 15. So I guess 15 fruits total. Maybe I won't pick this one. It's still too small. Okay, so that's all the fruits. 14 from that tree. Okay. And this one is a PPK. It's not ready yet. PPK. Oh, that one I think is ready. I see it. You see it's turning yellow on that one. You see orangey color. Hard to see. Let me see if you can zoom. See that yellow. So PPK. I'm gonna pick that one too.